So I figured I'd summon my inner Aaron Francis today and wear the black shirt. So I posted this the other day and I got a lot more engagement than I thought. So I decided to throw something together pretty quick and yeah, just figured I'd put it out there in the world and see if you guys like it. If not, whatever. I'll probably use this because I'm always in the terminal and I'll do Laravel do whatever, and then I'm going to install Filament PHP. So I created a Filament installer, and let's try this guy right here. So I've already got it installed. I'll put a link to the GitHub. It's got a little bit of a README there, but it's just a Composer Global Require Filament installer. And so we can do Filament new. Let's do installer test. It didn't make sense really to add this as an option since it's a Filament installer. Also, you can have Breeze and Jetstream as well as Filament, so why take that option away? So let's go with a Breeze and let's go Livewire Volt and let's do dark mode, of course, and pest, and we don't need a Git repository. And yes, we would like to create a Filament user. I do have to do some work on this because later it's going to ask if we want to migrate the database. If you're going to create a user, then of course you have to migrate the database, or there's no database to add the user to. So there's some work that needs to be done, but I figured as like a version 1, whatever, I'd put this out there, see if anybody wants to help me work on it a little bit. Just something fun to do. Like this, I would want a little title here. We're actually creating a panel, so it should, what is the idea of what? So an admin, yes, panel. And so I cannot star Filament anymore. They only let you star it once per GitHub account, which is ridiculous. Would you like to run the default database migrations? Yes, of course. And we'll create the SQLite database. All right, so we're going to create the Filament user. That's going to be me. It is Shane at laravelonline.com. Password is password. And let that do its thing. Cue the montage. And there we go. So it takes a little bit of time because it's the internet. Let's grab that, pop it in here. Now we should be able to see, yep, we've got login and register. This is coming from Laravel Breeze. We've already created a user, so technically we should be able to Shane at laravelonline.com, password is password, and logged right in. And then additionally, with any luck, we've got an admin Filament panel, and we're already logged in. So yeah, I'll put a link to the GitHub below and take a look. Maybe it'll help you guys out too. Take care.